Hello, my name is Kasharon and welcome back to the overview of the UBD template. Last time we discussed stage 1 in which we identified our desired results. This time, in stage 2, we will determine our acceptable evidence, and this will help us to prove that our students have attained their goals. In stage 1, we identified our standards or competencies and from there built goals regarding transfer, meaning, and acquisition. In stage 2, we will be developing assessments that provide evidence that our students have in fact attained these goals. Stage 2 is set up in 3 sections: the performance tasks, other evidence, and the grading rubric. Let's take a look at each section individually. In the first section, performance tasks, we are looking to develop assessments that actually get the student to do something. This allows us to judge if the student is able to transfer their understanding to a situation that perhaps does not fit what was provided in class. Within this section, we do want to make sure that any performance tasks are related to the transfer and meaning goals that we developed in stage 1. When creating criteria, it should come from a credible source and be related to process, content, impact, or quality. This is what we will use to judge that the student was able to successfully show that they understood the material. In the next section, other evidence, your meaning and transfer goals are still referenced, but we also reference the knowledge and skill goals created in stage 1. The other evidence is the assessments that are most often associated with a training class. Any quizzes, tests, homeworks, or journals that would help the student to demonstrate that they do have an understanding of the knowledge and skill goals previously assessed. Just like in the previous section, you do want to develop that evaluative criteria. How are we able to judge that the student truly does understand the information provided? In the final section for stage 2 of the UBD template, a grading rubric is developed. Using one of the performance task assessments from the earlier stage, we will take that assessment and from there develop criteria in which we will judge the understanding of the assignment. Again, the criteria should come from a credible source and be related to the process, content, impact, or quality of the submission. These criteria are specific in providing what the student is actually being judged against. There is also the opportunity to explain how a grade was provided. That is, if the assignment was exemplary or provided no evidence of that specific criteria. This concludes our overview of the UBD template stage 2. Next time, we will go over the third and final stage, stage 3. See you then.